What? What? Gotta go. You're your first day in the day to the Brick Boss Fund. Why? Who thought it was a good idea? Huh? Doug, it's lame. I only like moose milk. I don't want this milk jug stuff. It's only moose milk. Go home. It's a gift. Okay, I'm coming. Hey. What's a gift? Don't tell Jeff. Stone and a ladder. No! Ow! Jeff! Jeff! Help! No. This room tells me she ate the TNT. She's flying! How is that possible? Ha! Still can't get me. I'm out of here, man. No Jeffina or Moosino or Jeff the Moose. I don't want any part of you guys anymore. Welcome to another day of Daycare. Yo, what's going on, guys? How's everybody doing today? Yo, I'm back to normal, man. I've been working out super hardcore, and I'm looking pretty cool, right? I'm looking pretty good, man. Hey, check me out. Hey, what's good? So, anyways, I'm super excited, bro. I'm super excited to be back in another day of Daycare. Wait, what's going on over here? My bad. That's the moose book for you. That's the moose book. Nice. Oh, I said, why is there a barrier over here? Hey, yeah. That's actually pretty good. Hey, not bad. Not bad for a chicken flavor tasting. Whoa! What is that? Oh, yo, what the heck is Jeff up to? Yo, what happened to the laboratory? Not the laboratory, I mean the daycare. Wait, what? It turned into a laboratory. Yo, what is going on over here? Hey, what is all this stuff? There's like a weird cork board over there. There's a test tube, gas canisters, alchemy table, papers, and computer setup. Ow! Hey! You can't do that, Jeff! What is all this stuff? What are you doing? What do you mean what I'm doing? I'm here at daycare. It's another day of daycare. Get out! Why get out? Where's everybody else at? It's Sunday. No, it's Tuesday, Jeff. Ow! What are you doing? Stop, you can't get rid of me like that, bro. Don't question me. Jeff, what did you do to the daycare, man? It was so good looking. Now it's, what even is this? Is this where you sleep at, Jeff? Why is there a wheelchair here? This is not a daycare today. Jeff, where's everybody else at? Where's Moosino? Where's Brick Boss? Where's Cyclopia? Where's Jeffina? You're getting in the way of my experiments. What You want to stop? You want to stop, Jeff? Huh? You want to stop? I'll eat this whole daycare. Yeah, I'll do it, bro. Don't try me. Don't tempt me. I'll do it. I'll do it. Watch yourself. Okay, so what is all this stuff, man? Why do you have all these, potions and stuff? Hey, the book. What if I mix this with this thing, and what happens now? Hey! I did nothing at all, nor eat that on the ground. Don't touch anything. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm not going to touch nothing at all. Oh, man. This is the life. Do you hate me by any chance? I'm out of here. Okay, so let's get this straight, man. What is going on? You know the answer. So there's a crazy mechanical thing over here. Oh, look, buttons. Look, Jeff, buttons. Yeah, buttons. Oh, stop. Jeff, I'm fixing things. Hold on. Oh, what's this over here, man? Why is there like a weird connection cable over here? Oh, that's pretty cool. Crystal ball. Ooh, potions. Nice. Man, I didn't even want it anyways, man. Stop. What? Oh, potions. It's on fire. What's this over here? I fell for it again. Jeff for breakfast. You don't get it. Dude, get what, bro? Jeff, what are you talking about? I always get the most smoke. Hey, what's over here? Computer setup. That's pretty cool, but there's no monitor. This is dangerous. Ow! Can you not, Jeff? I'm legit about to blow up this daycare. I'll do it, bro. Stay away. Jeff, you can't stop me, man. What's up? Jeff! Hey! Yeah! Something tells me you don't like me at all. So, Jeff, rub me down, man. It looks like you got some kind of cloning, experimental thing over here, bro. So, what is all this stuff, man? Ooh, so many paintball guns. Hey! What's good, Jeff? I'm making something. Jeff, what are you making that's so important, huh? What are you actually making that is so important, buddy? What is it? Don't touch that. That's in case this goes wrong. You mean all these crazy paintball bullets, right? Is that what you're talking about? Is that what you're talking about, Jeff? Let me fix this for a second. Give me just a second. Let me just... I shall be the test subject of these weapons. They work. They definitely work. I'll tell you that. Next one. From us. Hey, check it out. Jeff, so... Okay. I know this is all, like, crazy and all, but, like... Bro, is this a prank? Huh? I know you're not an experimental guy. You don't know anything about science. No! Jeff, it looks like a prank. Stop trying to prank me, man. It ain't going nowhere, okay? It really ain't going nowhere, buddy. Come on. What is all this? What actually is all this, buddy? Hey, where is it supposed to be? This guy over here. Look at this dude. I'm going to complete my experiment. It's time to get the experiment done. Hold on, Jeff. I'm working on something. You gave me all this weird ammo over here that I don't want. I don't want this. I don't want that. I don't want this. I'm going to take all of that. Perfect. Okay, so Jeff, how does this all work, by the way? Why this has no ammo? What is this? Jeff, none of these things have ammo. What? Why would you? Who does that? Who puts things without ammo in there? One job. Legit one job. All you have to do is one job. There you go. This guy over here putting things with no ammo. Look at this dude. Okay. Perfecto. Oh, nope. Still can't get it. Still can't get it. Okay. All right. No ammo. Okay. So, Jeff, where's that even a rocket launcher? Where's the rocket launcher at? Oh, never mind. There's one right here. Yay! Load it up. Okay. Perfecto. All right. So, run me down, Jeff. Run me down. What do you got, buddy? And can I have these 100 R&D bullets, huh? Because, you know, you didn't put any ammo in them and such. So, all right. Where's all this stuff, huh? Hey, yeah! Hey! Play! Minecraft! I don't want that. I told you 100 R&D. Clearly can't hear it. Are you kidding me? No. I'm being pretty legit, bro. Oh. Get your own 100 now. Okay. Woohoo! Woohoo! Okay, Jeff. So let me see what this crazy experiment you're working on, man. Because your daycare ain't looking so good, buddy. Let's get rid of the machine, and it's gone. What is that? What is that supposed to be? Nice. Breakfast. This thing's gone. You're lucky I got this before you destroyed it. What do you mean? Oh, wait. So that was legit? It wasn't a joke? Oh, wow. I gotta say, Jeff, you're pretty good at this, man. Pretty good at this. Okay, so get rid of all of this. Perfecto. Awesome. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. All right, so let's do this, man. Let's do this. Come on. What you got for me, huh? What you got for me, buddy? I'm gonna take like 20 step backs because I don't trust you, man. All right, Jeff's about to get wrecked, dude. I don't know what he's working on, man, but let's quickly spectate from here. How's everything at all? What's going on? It's here. What's here? What are we talking about? Oh my God! It's a giant gorilla! Oh, Jeff! What is that? Whoa! Dude, that thing looks terrifying, bro. Wow! That's one big gorilla. Is he like harmful or anything like that? You know what? I think he's trying to give you a hug. Hey, buddy. Jeff, look. He just wants to give you a hug. Oh, Jeff, he's so nice. Eat it! Jeff, why would you spawn an experiment and then attempt to kill him when he's your friend? I don't think he likes me, man. I think he's supposed to give you a hug. Jeff! Oh my God, Jeff! Jeff, he tried to hug me, and then he threw a fireball at me. Oh, his eyes are kind of red, buddy. What's wrong with him, man? He's not looking so good at all, buddy. I don't know what's wrong with him. You're a fault for getting close. What's wrong with him? Look at this dude. He's kind of cool. Look at him. Hey, buddy. What's up, man? Oh, he's not that harmful, Jeff. Look, he's a nice person. Hi! Jeff! He's throwing fireballs! Oh, no, Jeff! The fireballs are exploding and they're spinning! What is this? Jeff, this is a really bad idea, buddy. Why do you think this is a good idea, Jeff? Huh? Why do you think this is a good idea? Oh. Ah! What the heck? This dude! The experiment wasn't ready! Oh, no. Oh, no. This was only a test! Huh? Oh, snap! Jeff, it's not good. It's not good at all. It's not good at all, buddy. Hey, Ow! He's blowing everything up! Why? Why is he gonna do this, dude? Jeff, I have an idea. Like a good neighbor, Moose Milk is there. Ha! Ha! Ow! He can shoot two at once. Why? Why would you make this? Oh, watch out! Jeff, he just became stronger. What? What did you do to him? Jeff, what did you do to this guy? Huh? Jeff! Oh! Oh, no. Oh, snap. He self-heals. What do you mean he self-heals? Why would you give him abilities like that? Why would you ever need something this crazy, huh? Why would you need a dude that has self-healing stuff? Bad. Okay, I got him a little bit further away, buddy. Stay still. Oh, no. He can leap and throw two at once to help me defend against Jafina. You know that's not going to help you out. You know that's not going to help you out at all, dude. If Jafina wants to take you out, she'll do it, bro. Ow! That's really painful. You know that? That's very painful. And this doesn't even do anything. Give me the legs. But, Jeff, could you help out, please? That would be much appreciated, man. Those things ain't doing nothing. We need something better. It's called getting ammo. Jeff, you're always getting ammo. Ah, well, you couldn't get me ammo, but whatever. This, it's like he's not even affected. Oh, he's leaping. Oh, he's leaping. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. And his name is John Cena. Hey, a.k.a. Lucina. Yeah. Watch out, buddy. Back up. Back. Hey, yeah. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, no. I'm going in, buddy. Going in. Let's go. Is this what your girlfriend does when you deny her for a date? Wait. I think he's gone up. He's not going. Never mind. No, that's not what she does, bro. She's not crazy like that, man. Okay? All right, maybe a little bit. Okay, come on. Come on, Jeff. We're on a hunting mission. We're looking for the wild gorilla that has escaped the daycare. And he's currently up. That's where he is currently. That's exactly where he is currently. Oh, my God, Jeff. Dang it, man. Dang it. Yeah. Okay, well, Jeff, this ain't going nowhere, so we need a plan B, all right, buddy? I think we need one of those plan Bs, okay? Let's get myself a nuclear bomb. Oh, doesn't exist. Plan Q. No, Jeff, what plan Q? Okay. Catch! Let's blind him up a little bit. One. Oh, hold on. I got this. Hey. But. Jeff, why are the grenades not working on him? Jeff, keep shooting at him. Get him. Get him, Jeff. Don't stop. Oh, wait. He's gone. That actually worked. What? Awesome. Oh, wow. That's wonderful. That's absolutely wonderful. Is he actually dope? Yeah, he's... Jeff, you were so wrong. Jeff, he's back at spawn, and he has full health. Okay, well, I'm going to be on my way before King Kong takes over the daycare. Ladies and gentlemen, hope you all did enjoy. Oh, my God, he's shooting on 5 at once. Jeff. Oh, no. Oh, no. Jeff, watch out, watch out. Oh, snap. I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. He's getting more powerful by the minute, and we can't even stop him. I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Subscribe and snap the bell.